I just got this box in the mail from Realeats. They use locally sourced organic ingredients from upstate New York, meaning they have the highest quality foods in every single one of their bags. And I'm gonna give you $30 off for your first week. Their foods are so delicious and very healthy, and most are 600 calories or below. And here is part of their menu for this week. And there's different menu choices every week. And you go ahead and select what you want. They ship them to you. And all that you do is take the 3 pouches for your meal, boil some water for and put them in for 6 minutes. And then you have a meal just like that. It's perfect. Like, I just got back from the gym, so it's great because I just need to pick 3 different ones of my meals, put them together, put them in there, bam, bam. I have a fully cooked meal. I'm so excited. These are sweet potatoes. Oh, this looks so amazing. Oh, and here's this nice piece of salmon. Honey soy salmon, ginger carrots. The choices were so amazing. It was hard to pick them. Some quinoa, or this is rice. Here is the quinoa. Ooh. Ooh, this is what I really wanted to try, the shrimp cakes. Oh, so exciting. So yeah, so it's like super easy. And once again, if you're interested, check out the link below. Go ahead, use that $30 off for your first week, and check out Realeats. This is the pan-seared herb shrimp cakes. I've taken a bite, and this is such a beautiful combination. I love it so much. This is a honey soy salmon. It is so delicious, and it pairs so well with the rice and the carrots. This is the pan-seared steak with sweet potatoes, and as you can see, it comes with a combination of purple and regular sweet potatoes. I've had a bite of all 3, and they are all delicious and pair wonderfully.